The OnePlus 11 concept is the coolest smartphone you'll never have. The first smartphone with gaming PC-grade cooling. Sort of. At the point when OnePlus prodded its OnePlus 11 concept in front of MWC 2023 recently, we rushed to conjecture that the strange gadget seemed to be a gaming PC than a cell phone. Indeed, it just so happens that evaluation wasn't excessively far off base. Having now taken care of the OnePlus 11 concept for ourselves at the yearly Barcelona Expo, we can unhesitatingly say that this cell phone is for sure the most gaming PC-like handset we've at any point seen. In any case, hold the praise, since we likewise realize that the OnePlus 11 concept certainly will not be procuring a spot on our rundown of the best gaming cell phones anytime soon. Sadly, the OnePlus 11 concept is only that, an idea. Fundamentally, it's a model form of the OnePlus 11. You can peruse our considerations on that telephone in our OnePlus 11 survey, that is expected to exhibit how gaming PC-style fluid cooling innovation can be applied to future OnePlus cell phones, which is positively a perfect thought, but one in the beginning phases of improvement. All things considered, the OnePlus 11 concept works as a genuine cell phone. The models we had the option to deal with at MWC closely resemble genuine gadgets we could buy, complete with scrollable screens and working frameworks, which is an accomplishment in itself on OnePlus' part. Active CryoFlux is the reasonably modern name OnePlus has given to the active cooling innovation at work inside the OnePlus 11 concept, and the organization's depiction of how this framework works is considerably more Doctor Who-esque. For OnePlus, active CryoFlux highlights a modern-grade piezoelectric artistic micropump in its center, associated with pipelines sandwiched between an upper and lower stomach. The micropump takes up an area under 0.2 centimeters squared, empowering cooling fluid to course around the pipelines without essentially expanding the OnePlus 11 concept's weight and thickness. The unmistakable back conveys an entrancing perspective on the active CryoFlux pipelines at work. The back cover likewise includes a magnetron sputtering covering where a metal and compound are saved in little sums onto the case utilizing an electric field. Piezoelectric ceramic micropump? Magnetron sputtering covering? In truth, we're not completely certain what this implies in general, however it sounds cool, and that is sufficient as far as we're concerned to pay heed. As far as the viable advantages of active CryoFlux, OnePlus says the framework has, during research center tests, been demonstrated to be fit for cutting down a cell phone's temperature while gaming by up to 2.1 degrees Celsius, further developing the tried game's edge rate by 3 to 4 frame. Active CryoFlux was likewise displayed to lessen the tried cell phone's temperature by 1.6 degrees Celsius during charging, shaving 30 to 45 seconds from its generally charging time. Certainly, those could peruse like immaterial enhancements for paper, yet in the event that active cooling innovation can be demonstrated to approach or better the cooling abilities of profound cell phone fans, then, at that point, we as a whole are for it. Furthermore, what kind of individual doesn't need a radiant, chilly crisscross running down the rear of their cell phone? Include us, OnePlus. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, if you love our video, click the like button, give us a thumb up, subscribes, share and drop a comment on the video you like to see next.